Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to use ZipPay at Walmart. To use ZipPay, you need to follow these steps. Open the Zip app and make a Zip in-store purchase request for the amount you plan on spending and tap on Pay in-store. Then enter purchase request amount. Select Pay with Apple or Google Wallet. Return to the Zip app in-store tab. Add the Zip virtual card details in the Walmart Pay section of the Walmart app. Once the virtual Zip card has been added to your Walmart app, select it as your payment method and scan the QR code at the register to complete the transaction. For all future orders, you will need to create a new in-store purchase request in the Zip app and repeat the steps we have gone through here. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.